Pisces, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for June 2026. This is a general reading. Pwede kayo makarelate, pwede hindi. Isang paalala lang. I will not message you or offer you any services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Okay, Pisces, June energies for you. Release. Please release me. Meron kayong i-let go. Ano ba yung i-let go nyo na yan? Energy from the past, o kaya sa anything that is no longer serving you. Napaka-cliche naman, lagi natin yan sinasabi, no? Kasi tama naman talaga na once in a while, we need to release something. Okay? Kasi pag nag-accumulate yan, hindi mo naman nakailangan. Ano lang yan? Magiging liability mo lang. 'Di ba? So, you will release your liabilities. Okay, let's see what else. Pisces. Taking action. Yes, this is very important for you ngayong June. You are creating something. Master creator. By taking action. Pwede mas magiging creative ka, mas magiging productive ka, marami kang mga ganap ngayong nagle-level up ka, Wow. You are leveling up your game, upgrading. Pwedeng kahit sa gadgets, nag-upgrade ka. Bibili ka ng mas mataas na, mas mataas na phone. Mas mataas na phone. Mas mataas na model. Mag-upgrade ka ng phone. This can be upgrading your skills. Kaya ka merong i-release kasi, kumbaga parang, you are creating spaces for something new. Okay? That's why you are leveling up. Yung iba merong promotion sa work, promotion sa career, or you're just upgrading. Version 2.0, 3.0, kung ano mang version ka na. Overall energy, the 8 of Pentacles. Diba? May minamaster ka talaga. Mastery yan 8 of Cups. 8 of Pentacles. So, this is about your career, your money, your finances. Very busy ka. Part ng pagle-level up mo is pag-acquire mo ng knowledge, abilities. This can be attending yung mga classes, or nag-self-study ka, nagre-research ka. Your challenge is the 5 of Swords. Nako, merong conflict. May mga times na tinatamad ka. May mga times na nagtatalo ang isip mo sa gusto mong gawin at saka sa katawan mo. Yung tipong, tinatamad ako pagod ako pero yung isip mo sinasabi, uy, gumalaw ka. 'Di ba? So, kailangan mag-align yan talaga. Kung pagod ka, okay lang, magpahinga ka. 'Di ba? So, pag okay ka na, trabaho na. Back to the, back in action ka na, kumbaga. And be careful rin, of course, sa mga taong hahayaan mo na maka-impluwensya sa'yo. Siyempre, may mga good influence, pero pag alam mo bad influence, iwasan mo na sila. Kasi baka masira yung diskarte mo. Imbes na mag-level up ka, 'di ba? So, anong mangyayari? Baka mag-level down ka. Okay, so your opportunity. 'Di ba? Queen of Pentacles, nurturing. You are nurturing yourself. Pag-alaga sa iyong sarili. Kasi syempre, 'di ba, pag inaalagaan mo yung sarili mo, mas maganda ang outcome. Kumbaga sa makina, kung nilalangisan mo, nililinisan mo, 'di ba? Maganda ang performance ng makina. Ganun din sa inyo. So, this can be an opportunity for you to assume a position sa work, sa career, parang crowning. Alam mo yun, tipong merong rewards or awarding sa'yo kasi nagle-level up ka nga. 'Di ba? So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong leadership role ngayong June. And then, your blessing is the Seven of Swords. As a blessing, I see this as being careful, no? Kumbaga, you see things, nakikita mo agad if may something off. Kumbaga, yung mga red flags sa mga taong nakakasalamuha mo sa sitwasyon na meron ka, nakikita mo yun agad. Let's, tinan pa natin. What is the Seven of Swords for the blessing? The Queen of Wands. Pwede kasing merong some sort of competition ngayong June na parang itatry na hamunin ka. Pero hindi ka nila mapapatumba. Hindi ka nila matitinag kasi papatunayan mo sa sarili mo kung sino ka talaga at kung ano yung kakayanan mo. Some people would want to, bring you down, but they can't do that. Because you have the wisdom na hindi nila alam. Marami kang alam, kakayanan, na walang makakatinag. You are keeping yourself learning. Nahayaan mo, matuto ka lang na matuto, mag-absorb ka na mag-absorb ng mga knowledge. Mortality. I also see this as meron kang tatapusin or parang part ng pagre-release mo ito eh. Like, let go something that is no longer serving you. Example, yung career path mo, you feel like wala nang patutunguhan, pwedeng sa company na yan, lilipat ka na ibang company, or kaya mag-shift ka ng career. It's a strategy. Hope, ayan, mataas rin ang iyong hope. Ang pag-asa. Very hopeful. And at the same time, yung pagiging hopeful mo ay may kinalaman din doon sa mga bagay na i-let go mo para makapagsimula ka ng bago. Kasi this is new beginning. Yung wisdom mo, yung knowledge mo, ay gagamitin mo para makapagsimula. Oh my God, ano sabi? Endings are inevitable. See? May kailangan i-let go. Wala na tayong magagawa doon. Ganun talaga. Kasi hindi mo masisimulan or hindi mo mawe-welcome ang bago sa buhay mo kung wala kang space para sa new things or new beginnings. You have to release something na you're still holding on to pero alam mong hindi na yun para sa'yo. Okay? So that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. See you again.